What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel, and we are back at Costco, Boston, Massachusetts, and today is Monday, September 30th. We have the best deals of the week. So up first, we have the 3M command strips and the command hooks. These work great. They work like magic, so skip the nails, skip the hammer, and buy these instead. The command strips are great for hanging pictures, and the hooks a little bit larger item, but not that much weight. These are $4 off. You can choose between either or, and that will bring the price down to $11.99. And these work excellent. Let's move on and dive into some freshness with the Kirkland Signature farm-raised Atlantic salmon. Now you should always choose wild. If wild's on sale, go with the wild, but since the farm-raised is on sale today, that's what we're going to look at. These are center cut portions, 6 to 8 ounces, and they're giving us 3 pounds of premium salmon. This is great for grilling, baking, or any dish. $5 off. That's bringing the price down to $29.99, a great price for 3 pounds of salmon. Now you can have double the yum with double the fun, the Ninja Foodie. This is their 6-in-1 air fryer. You get 2 air frying baskets, so throw the salmon in one, throw the steak in the other, cook 2 dishes at once. This has 6 cooking functions. You can air fry, you can roast, you can bake, reheat, and you can even dehydrate. They're giving us $30 off. That's bringing the price down to $119.99. Each basket is 5 quarts. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. Your comments mean the world to me, and don't forget to share this with your friends. I want to grow the community together. It's time to unleash some power. We have a gaming desktop that is the absolute beast from iBuyPower. This does have an Intel Core i7 in it, 14th generation, NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card, 2TB solid-state hard drive. It comes preloaded with Windows 11 and a gaming keyboard and mouse. Look at the price, $100 off. That's bringing the price down to $1,099.99. Fall season is here, and it's a great time to reseed our lawns. Now we do have different seeds depending upon your geographic location. Out here in New England, we have the Scott's grass seed. This is the sun and shade mix, perfect for where I am, and they're giving us a great discount here, $8 off the price, bringing it down to $44.99. That is for a 12-pound bag. A great time to zap your meals to perfection. We have the Panasonic 1.3 cubic feet countertop microwave, and this does pack a punch with 1200 watts and 15 auto cook settings. It does have a 12.4 turntable. It's not shown in there, but it does. It even has inverter technology. That's for fast and even heating. This is $30 off, bringing the price down to $119.99. If you do have a snack attack incoming, we have the Oreo cookies variety pack. This gives you 60 individual wrapped package of cookies. Each package has 2 cookies, so you get 30 Oreo, 10 golden, and 20 double stuffed cookies, a total of 3 pounds, and they're also taking off $3 off the price, bringing it down to $11.89. And if you're craving something salty, crispy, or crunchy, try Snack Factory's organic original pretzels. These are very satisfying. I love them. These are great for your snack cravings, and in the most delicious way, they're perfect for dipping, putting on toppings, or just munch them right out of the bag. I love that these are organic. We do get a big bag, 28 ounces, $2.50 off the price, bringing it down to $6.49. And let's move on to some triple chocolate with some triple yum here. We have Ghirardelli's chocolate premium brownie mix that does deliver. It brings us rich and fudgy brownies that everyone's going to love, and they're packed with premium chocolate goodness. Very good. And we do get 6 pounds per box, $4 off the price, bringing it down to $10.99. Each package makes 16 servings. Bite into some Aussie goodness here. We have the organic Aussie bites that are packed with wholesome ingredients like rolled oats, seeds, dry fruits. This makes the ultimate snack. We do get 30 ounces here. This is perfect for breakfast, a snack time, or quick energy boost. These are organic and hearty. Let's have a look at the macros here though. We have 130 calories per serving, 16 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of protein. They're taking $2.50 off the price, bringing it down to $8.99. Mobile One motor oil is back on sale again here at Costco. We have the triple action and the high mileage. We have 5W20, 0W20, same discount for all of them. This is 6 quarts per box, $10 off, bringing the price down to $33.49. Up ahead down the aisle, we have the high mileage motor oil by Mobile One. It's 5W30, but since when is 5W30 considered high mileage oil? I'm not sure when, but this is triple action as well. 75,000 miles plus. This is for engines. Let's have a look at the price. Same price, $10 off, $33.49. Here you can brighten up your bathroom in style. We have the Lennon vanity light here. This brings a nice sleek elegance to your space. It does have that 4 light design, and this is perfect for adding a modern touch to your bathroom or vanity. This light delivers a nice glow to it. Let me zoom in so you can have a better look. Perfect glow to it, not too bright. It looks chic, it looks brilliant, a nice shine to it, and this is a great discount at $15 off, bringing the price down to $34.99. Keep yourself safe and your kitchen safe. We have the First Alert fire extinguisher here. This is a small but mighty tool. You should definitely pick one of these up. I've seen this as low as $9.97 on clearance, but here we getting a great discount as well. These are on sale here. They're giving us a great manufacturer discount. You can stop the fire before it lights up. They're taking $3 off the price, bringing it down to $11.99. How can you say no to that? Let's move on because I did see some under cabinet lights here. These are from Xfinity, perfect to light up your space. This does come in a 2-pack. These are rechargeable, easy to install, and they do give you a bright adjustable light wherever you need it. You can put them in your closet, you can put it underneath the cabinet, in the bathroom, no cords, a magnetic base so you can pop them into place in your kitchen, your closet, or your garage. They last up to 6 months on one charge, $5 off, bringing the price down to $16.99. Upgrade your bathroom now with the Moen single hole bathroom faucet. A nice, beautiful, sleek design, easy to use, and it does have a single handle lever giving you smooth control of water flow. It does mount in one hole, giving that nice clean look to it, and this is $15 off, bringing the price down to $54.99. Just a few items away, we have an option to make your kitchen tasks a lot easier with the Kohler Pro Function Kitchen Sink Kit. This is a kit. It comes with a sleek single bowl that's made from premium 18 gauge stainless steel. Very nice. It does include a professional style faucet with 2 functions and a powerful sweep that's great for spraying and tough cleaning jobs. You can choose between a vibrant stainless steel or a matte black online to match your style, either or, and this is the perfect upgrade for your kitchen. They're giving us $80 off, bringing the price down to $299.99. Here you can toast your way with Cuisinart Custom Select 2-slice toaster. I love how compact it is. This toaster is perfect for every kind of bread, whether it's a bagel, a waffle, an English muffin. It does have 7 different shade settings, and you can get the perfect toast every time. They're giving us a great discount here, $10 off, bringing the price down to $29.99. A beautiful stainless steel look, and it looks great in any kitchen. Perfect toast every time. Now you can blend like a pro. We have the Vitamix Pro blender here. This is backed with a 10-year warranty. That way you have a peace of mind. A very good blender. This and the BlendTech are probably the 2 best blenders on the market. The Vitamix Pro series here, this does have a 2.2 horsepower, 10 variable speeds. It comes with a tamper, a 64-ounce container, and a recipe book. That way you can have some added convenience. They're giving us a great discount here, an instant $100 off here, bringing the price down to $299.99. Get a smooth shave with Philips Norelco 69 series shaver here. This is an advanced shaver. It does feature 45 sharpening blades and delivers 90,000 cutting actions per minute for a nice smooth close shave. It does come with a pop-up trimmer that's perfect for maintaining mustaches or sideburns. It does include the quick clean pod that makes cleaning a breeze. $20 off the price, bringing it down to $79.99. Keep your food fresh with the Kirkland Signature Vacuum Sealing Bags. This is an assortment pack. It comes with different sizes and 50 pre-cut rolls. These are also BPA free, and they're great for your storage needs, and they work with most vacuum sealing systems. Also, in the coupon book, the Instant Savings books, we did have the Food Saver Vacuum Sealer on sale. I'll show that in a second. This is $4 off, bringing the price down to $15.99. Here we have the food saver from the Instant Savings book. I did cover the book, the entire book. Also, the other day I made a video of all the food items in the book, so you don't have to watch any electronics if you don't like that type of thing. I'm gonna leave links for everything at the end of this video for you guys to check out. Go look at those. Make sure you guys leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you purchased. And this food saver, we're getting a great discount here, $25 off, bringing the price down to $74.99. All right, friends, if you did enjoy today's video, have a look at these. I'm going to put up 4 different videos here. Take a look, hit play on any of these videos. You got to check them out. If not, that's fine. Don't forget to give me a like. Leave me a comment. Let me know you're enjoying the videos. I'll see you tomorrow with another Costco video. We have some great discontinued deals.